Hello everyone, this is Beverly Black, and I hope everyone is doing very well today. Today I come to you with a review, and this review is for this mini pancake maker. Will you look at here? It has 25 slots for mini pancakes. Here is a timer, the thermostat, the power. This is my first time using this, so we're gonna learn about this together and see how it works today. With this pancake maker, it came with all of these different. This is to clean it with, I guess, to get your pancakes, to whip them up together, a whisk. All four of these came with the pancake maker. And this pancake maker is, if I can pronounce it right, Pancake, Panghuu 88. And it is a mini Dutch pancake maker. It is electric non-stick muffin maker machine. And you can use this in your home, or if you have a bakery, you can use it in your bakery. It has 25 round holes. This small pancake maker can make 25 small pancakes at the same time, which can be completed in 5 minutes. You can enjoy many delicious pancakes without waiting too long. It's temperature control that I showed you. It's easy to use. The muffin machine is equipped with an electric control panel to actually control the temperature and the time. Electronic gong roasted bakery supporting memory function. It is made of a food grade stainless steel. It is sturdy and durable, high temperature resistant, and not easy to rust. It's a non-stick. It is very easy to clean without sticky coating boards. When you take out the food, they will not damage the surface of the food, but keep the perfect appearance. There is no need to add fuel. You don't have to add oil or anything to it. It's supposed to be non-stick. We are getting ready. Hold on. We are getting ready to find out. I have already mixed up my pancake mix. I have a cup of Bisquick, a cup of milk, and 1 egg in here for my pancake mix. We're going to turn the power on. I don't know what temperature to put this on, but we're going to play with it and we're going to see. So we're going to let it heat up. And when it heats up, I think this light is supposed to change to green. So we're going to wait shouldn't take it very long to get it heated up. Then I'll be back and we'll make some pancakes. The heating light is out. It was red and now it's out, so it's supposed to be preheated. But I forgot to tell you that this is 13 by 1 inch long this way and 11 inches by 8 inches on the sides. And it is very easy to clean up. I didn't tell you about that. You just wipe it with a wet cloth to reuse the Dutch pancake machines. Please be careful not to use a sponge or abrasive function. Otherwise, it would damage the product from the non-stick coating. So, it has a timer here. I'm just going to do 10 of them. And I will turn the timer on for 3 minutes. It will take 3 to 5 minutes. I'm not 3 to 5, 3 to 4 minutes for them to cook on each side. So I'm going to put some in here. I probably got a smaller spoon. Hold on. Yeah, I've been dropping it everywhere. Okay. I'm gonna set the timer for 3 minutes. Boy, the timer's loud. We'll see how they will do. There they are. You hear the little noise? It's making a little tinkling noise. They are cooking. I have never had pancakes this small before. I don't know if I want to use this or a fork. I'm gonna try a fork. Wow. Well, look at there, y'all. And this is the first time using this. They are browning pretty. It didn't even take 3 minutes because the timer is still going. And they are golden brown. Okay. There they are. I will have all the, there the timer went off. I will have the Amazon information down below in the description if you are interested in getting a mini pancake maker that will make you 25 mini pancakes at one time. This is something good to do with your kids or your grandkids, that you can make pancakes together. What can I put in here? It ain't no bigger than this. Now let's see how they're looking on the other side. Yeah, they're cooking. Wow. Here it is. And all you do is just wipe it off when you finish. I want them to get a little browner on that side. I seen on Amazon where I was checking this out, and someone had made dessert that they had made out of these. And they had the little mini pancakes and some kind of chocolate cookie. And they had chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, chocolate bites, some nuts, whipped cream. It was beautiful. I don't know what the dessert name was, but it looked good. I'm gonna cut the power off. I'm going to take them out of the Wow, these are cute enough. Kids will love making these. And here they are. And you see them? I made 10. So if you're interested, look below in my description and you will find the information on how you can purchase this mini pancake maker. There it is. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous day. Remember that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are His masterpiece. Bye-bye, everyone.